The project name is Chandrayaan rocket launch model. In this, we are demonstrating the rocket launch of PSLV Mk3 rocket along with the moon rover. The rover is a vehicle that comes out of the lander. This is the lander part. It has got an antenna on the top of it, and there is a receiver as well as a transmitting antenna. These two are solar panels. Solar panels are mounted on both sides of the lander. The lander will land on the moon and the rover will come out and pick up objects of interest and do research on the moon surface. In this rocket, we have added two boosters and one main rocket. On the top of it, a satellite is there. Now, this is powered using two batteries. One battery will power the LED, the light which indicates the ignition of the rocket. Another battery is used to move the rocket up and down. Now, by operating the switch, we can actually move the rocket up and down. This is how the rocket moves up. We are using a switch to move the rocket up. Then using the switch we can release the rocket onto the ground. This is the ignition part, this is the launching pad part of it, and this is the moon rover part of it. This is Chandrayaan rocket launch model.